Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Realme C65. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And you can let go of power button when you see logo on your screen. And here you have to use volume buttons to select your language and then press power button. Now select format data with power button and you have to enter your verification code. Then click format and click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.